Combine fields using the Custom Designer application. First, we'll combine fields onto a label file. Later in the video, we will demonstrate combining fields onto a label template. Begin by selecting your printer and your part and New Label. We will add a couple text objects. The first, a simple hello, and the second, a simple goodbye. By clicking and dragging over the two objects, selecting and hitting the Combined Fields tool, you're able to combine those objects, adding separators before, in between, or after. And adding it as a new object is either a barcode or a text object. In this example, we will add it as a text object by dragging and dropping it onto your label preview. Now we will create a label template. We'll begin by adding a couple static text objects. The first, serial number, and the second, product number. Then we will add two variable placeholder objects. These are objects that will have data entered at the time of printing. We will enter hint text of enter serial number into the first object and enter part number into the second. These prompts will be displayed at the time of printing. Select your two variable fields and then click the Combined Fields tool. You'll see in your workspace those variable objects and the ability to add separator fields. Again, combine those objects into a barcode or a text object. After saving, we will demonstrate printing your label template using the Print Partner application. Select your Combine Fields template that we just created. And in the editing window, add your variable information. 1, 2, 3 as an example for serial number, 4, 5, 6 for part number.